Lexie and welcome to my channel. So today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox. So I got KDA All Out Ahri and KDA All Out Evelynn from uwowocosplay. Unfortunately, I forgot to buy the wigs, so I'm just gonna work with what I have right now. I just wanted to share the experience of unboxing these costumes from uwowocosplay and help you decide whether to buy this or not. So it's been like it's been 4 months. I'm just gonna show you the box. It's kind of big. Yeah. Kind of erase the thing here, my name. So I have my cutter right now. So I have my cutter right now, and let's begin unboxing my costume from uwowocosplay. And I'm so excited to unbox this. Yeah. I've been waiting for this. I'm like, you know, the long wait is over. It's here. And I just hope it fits. I've seen some reviews about the KDA All Out Evelynn that the skirt is not that fit. Let's see if it works for us, okay? I'll show you. I'll show you. Can you see it? Can you see it? Here. It's the jacket. It's the jacket. Okay, let's unbox this. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Ooh. Guys, I got the KDA All Out Evelynn and Ahri. I just forgot to buy the wigs. Yeah, like I just remembered it this month. First one we're going to check out is the full costume of KDA Evelynn. Just the costume. I also bought the tails and the accessories. What do you call this? And the shark claws and the stuff. Also, shoulder, Ahri's accessory. Here it is. Here's the Ahri costume. The Ahri costume. I'm so sad I didn't get the wig. I really forgot to buy the wig. It's looking good. I'm gonna try it on later. Both of the costumes. Okay, so this is the tails. I bought the tails for KDA All Out Evelynn. This one is the tails. Can you see it? It's like so heavy. Quality is great. Also, I have a free wig, I think. Yeah, I got a free wig with a wig cap from uwowocosplay. Maybe I'll try it on later. It's orange. I don't know if it's, you know, it's gonna look good on me, but whatever. Let's try it on later. Okay, so let's try it on. Let's try to put on the KDA All Out Ahri. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. So let's open this KDA All Out Ahri. This is size small, by the way. Okay. Is it big for me? Quality of this? Holographic blue, dark blue, and the shoulder. Some glitters, I think. Let's check out the skirt. This is the skirt. Yeah, this is the skirt. This is the skirt. I think it's perfect. This one is kind of see-through. has the, what you call this, for the legs thing I have in here for KDA Ahri is this. Check it out. Is this something I should put on my, is this a belt? Is this a belt? Kinda, ooh, it will look like a chandelier. The quality, the detail is nice for this. Here, another one, another accessory or something. Is this for the neck? This one. Let's try to put it on. Maybe it's really for the neck. If it's not for the neck, then joke's on me. Joke's on me! The last thing here for the accessory is this one. Is this like a bangle? This is a bangle. Oh, and this one is for the hair. Do I look nice? Do I look nice? Like that? I'm halfway to wearing the costume. I forgot to show you that there's shorts included for this. Also, there's gloves included for this. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, I forgot to show you guys. There's also some gloves for the costume and shorts, okay? So this is how it looks without the skirt, on. This is how it looks without the skirt on. There. Okay guys, so this is the outfit. Sorry, my hair is so messy. The quality is great, I just don't know how to put this on. Yeah. Maybe I need help putting this on, and yeah, I think it's big or something. Is it really supposed to be big? Like this. Oh, okay, I think I got it. It's supposed to be like that, then have to it's supposed to be like that, like this. Yeah, is it like that? Okay, whatever, I'll figure it out soon. So this is the full outfit without the tails yet. 누가 감히 on my hotbed 그 문 열지 마 that's a rock day I'm giving you more cause I'm greater than 필요 없는 시험들 다 뿐이미 But all of my numbers are talking babe 부루마법 message monopoly 눈종이 돈이나 real money 필요 없대 너네들이 많은 돈들 go get it go get it go get it 더 미션 눈을 못대 못해 그래 너도 get it cause I got it different All I'll ever know is life upon the throne 시작하면 끝을 보는 If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!